Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an interesting term that surrounds us daily: advertising. This noun describes the activity of creating advertisements, the messages and visuals you see on billboards, social media, television, and more, all designed to grab your attention and make you aware of a product, service, or idea. Let's think of advertising as the art of persuasion, where companies or organizations aim to connect with an audience. Imagine a catchy commercial you saw recently. That was the product of advertising crafted to get you interested and possibly lead you to buy something or support a cause. It's a common practice in business, media, and even on the internet, where companies try to reach potential customers in many ways. Some useful synonyms for advertising include promotion, marketing, and publicity. For example, you could say, the company's promotion campaign boosted their sales significantly, or social media marketing is crucial for small businesses today. Another example could be, publicity through magazines and online ads keeps their brand popular. On the flip side, antonyms of advertising include concealment or suppression. These suggest the opposite idea, where something is being hidden rather than promoted. You might say, the artist chose concealment over public advertising to keep their work mysterious, or the brand's suppression of ad campaigns this season was a surprising move. So, how can advertising show up in our daily conversations? You might hear someone say, I'm working in advertising, creating campaigns for social media, or effective advertising helped the new restaurant become popular quickly. Another common phrase might be, with the right advertising, this product could reach more customers. Let's put advertising into a few more examples. The advertising agency worked hard to develop a catchy slogan. Online advertising has changed how we discover new products. Small businesses often rely on social media advertising for growth. So, that's advertising, an essential part of modern business that we encounter every day. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn more about the language around us. And here's a challenge for you: try using advertising in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. We'd love to see how you use it.